And if a rescued girl's family cannot be found, or cannot accept the fact that she has property, mighty Nepal provides that home.
पुरानो आन्टीले माइती नेपाल खोलेको त्यहाँ तिनीहरू गयो भने जानु माइती नेपाल पुऱ्याइदिन्छु भनेर